Hey guys, this is Saqib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today's topic is the Mount Slider widget developed by the Prime Slider plugin. This slider has a minimalistic design with an eye-catchy full-width display. There are social media links on the slider hidden by the text on the bottom right corner. On the layout section, you'll find a custom slider dimension box on top. The dimensions work with a fixed height-width ratio. Below, you can set the minimum height of the slider using the scroll bar. Let's try that. There's a bunch of switches to show or hide specific items from the slider widget, like how you can turn off the dots navigation instantly. Let's keep that on. The alignment option works on the level and the title of the slider. The next section houses the slider items. You can always add more by clicking on the Add Item button. For a slider item, you get subtitle, title, title link, and image fields. Let's insert some images first. Once we got the image, let's change the text too. You can adjust the image resolution from the image size option. Also, you can change the image position, attachment, etc. from the image settings. The next section lets you customize the social share buttons. They are located near bottom right corner on the slider. Lastly, you'll have a section to customize the slider animations like loop, autoplay, speed, etc. Moving on to the style tab, the first section lets you place an overlay color to the slider. Overlay works in both background and plane modes. Then you have padding, title width, color, and more options. Let's change the typography of the title and the subtitle. You can adjust the spacing between the two. Next, let's change the typography of the social links. There's two different typography options here, so pick which one you want. You can also pick colors for the navigation arrows and numbers. Let's just go with what we have now. Like that, your mount slider is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.